My name is Marlon Portales. I am a Cuban artist based in Miami. I studied art in Cuba for 10 years, first in Academy of Fine Arts, and after that in the University of Art in Havana. I experiment a lot in my work with different kind of medium, painting, installation, photography, sculpture, digital art, animation, and for the last year, painting has been my main focus, but using a lot of new technologies that have been growing up, like AI, working in digital program space, creating this kind of digital creation like NFTs, has been a lot of experimentation in that way. My idea of presenting this big installation with future commerce was to create an environment and a very immersive experience for the audience that was exploring during that time.
Our interpretation of a muse in the modern day is that innovation inspires creativity and cultivates the next generation of creativity and art, and we believe that commerce gives us the opportunity to each own part of that.
Technology has always brought about big changes in society. My name is Tam Gryn. I'm an art curator and an author. I'm originally from Venezuela. And my research is how does art integrate with other industries to bring value to those other industries and to bring new economies for artists. My goal is to see the patterns through artists' eyes of whatever is happening in society right now. We wanted to represent what inspiration means in this day and age. So we worked with a lot of different artists that had a variety of different mediums that included from traditional painting, photography, all the way up to AI, AR, VR. There was always been fear and resistance, not only in the art world, but broadly when it comes to technology. How can we use it in our favor in innovative ways together with the tools of the past and the tools of the future so that we can bring everything together in a very harmonious way. The way in which Marlon integrates AI into his process and into his work is unique, and I like the fact that Marlon uses technology in a broader sense, not just the latest tools of AI and blockchain, but in the way that he uses the canvas from the front and from the back.
Painting in the back of the canvas has been a process that I developed for the last 4 years. It's a process where I create the painting in the back of an unprimed canvas that is raw. So the pigment I'm using, that is oil, going through the fabric of the canvas. What the audience can see is a transformation of the painting. It's all about memories. The AI tools are very useful because I have an idea in mind, I have a kind of representation that usually I look on old picture, old books, but now with AI I can give to that a form in a way that I want, just as I was imagining. In a point where I get from the AI what I want, I start to create more in the physical way, in the painting. I want to discover what the machine brings and I co-create with that. I like to think in art that's something alive and something that you can explore in different ways, not only planimetric, even when you are presenting a painting.